Did you know that raised bed gardening can actually give you twice the harvest in the same space compared to traditional gardens? It's true. Raised beds warm up faster in spring, drain better after heavy rains, and keep weeds under control. If you're dreaming of a garden that's productive, easy to manage, and fun to work with, stick around. Today, I'll walk you through the 20 best vegetables to grow in raised beds, plus a few bonus tips that will make your garden thrive. Alright, let's jump right in. Number 1. Lettuce. Lettuce grows fast, doesn't need much root space, and loves cool weather. In raised beds, you can cut and regrow it multiple times. 2. Spinach. Packed with nutrients and super easy to grow. Raised beds let the soil stay well drained, which spinach loves. 3. Kale. Kale can handle cooler tongue, and in raised beds, you can tuck it alongside other crops for a colorful garden. 4. Carrots. Here's a big one. Carrots love raised beds because the loose soil helps them grow long and straight. No more twisted, stumpy carrots. 5. Radishes. Fast growers ready in as little as 25 days. Perfect for filling gaps between slower crops. 6. Beets. You get 2 for 1. Tasty roots and edible greens. Raised beds keep the soil soft, so beets grow round and tender. 7. Onions. They don't like competing with weeds, so raised beds are perfect for keeping them neat and tidy. 8. Garlic. Planted in fall, and by summer, you'll have big, healthy bulbs. Raised beds help prevent soggy soil, which garlic hates. 9. Tomatoes. Everyone's favorite. In raised beds, the soil warms faster, giving tomatoes an early boost. Just don't forget cages or stakes. 10. Peppers. Both sweet and hot peppers thrive in warm, well-drained soil. Raised beds give them the heat they need. 11. Cucumbers. Train them up a trellis in your bed. Saves space, keeps fruits clean, and makes picking easier. 12. Zucchini. Yes, it's a space hog, but raised beds with rich soil will keep it producing like crazy. 13. Green beans. Bush beans or pole beans, they both do great. Raised beds keep the soil fluffy for strong root growth. 14. Peas. Perfect for early spring. They climb happily up a little trellis, and raised beds keep them out of soggy soil. 15. Broccoli. It loves nutrient-rich soil, which you can easily control in a raised bed. Harvest the big head, then enjoy the side shoots. 16. Cauliflower. A little fussier than broccoli, but in raised beds, you can control soil pH and moisture key for getting nice white heads. 17. Cabbage. Another heavy feeder. Raised beds let you add compost easily so your cabbages grow big and tight. 18. Swiss chard. Colorful, tasty, and grows almost year-round. Bonus, it keeps producing after multiple cuts. 19. Herbs like basil and parsley. Okay, not technically vegetables, but herbs in raised beds are game changers. They stay close to your veggies and improve flavor in cooking. 20. Potatoes. Yes, you can grow potatoes in raised beds. Just mound up soil or straw as they grow. Easier to harvest than digging in the ground. Quick bonus tip. Rotate your crops each year, even in raised beds. It keeps soil healthy and pests away. Also, try companion planting. For example, basil next to tomatoes can help keep pests down and improve flavor. And here's something fun. In 2025, more gardeners are using self-watering raised beds. They're designed with a reservoir underneath to save water and time. If you're busy, this might be worth looking into. So, those are the 20 best vegetables to grow in raised beds. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your garden plans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more gardening tips and share this video with a friend who wants to start a raised bed garden. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next one.